What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Start Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going on the front lines with my dividend portfolio. Right now it's sitting at $145,928.17. I'm going to show you with my M1 Finance portfolio. And when I did my collaboration with Tim, Oracle Investments, I kind of discussed my dividend investing strategy, why I have so many holdings. And I kind of explained it's like a monopoly board. You land on this spot, you get money. You land on this spot, you get money. You land on this spot, you get money. So this is my own ETF that I created. Okay, so again, I have high yield, I'm an income investor, and I'm a dividend growth investor. So looking at my dividend portfolio right now, I'm going to show you what's on the front lines real quick. So I have this area called storage area. That's just stuff that I flip back and forth. I'm already up 31.52%. Actually, the weighted rate of return is 22.94%. Look at how much I earned in dividends, $15,111.81, and that's reinvested. So Essential Properties Realty Trust, I love that REIT. That's one that I did mention a little bit in the past. The Starbucks I have on the front, I have a business development company, Golub Capital, Morgan Stanley, Getty Realty Corporation, I just mentioned that in the collaboration. Invitation Homes, so that's one that I'm probably going to discuss in the future and why I like it. I'm going to do a remix. Broadstone Net Lease. I got Blackstone Secured Lending Fund. That's a business development company. And we got AbbVie right here. We got DLR, Digital Realty Trust. Yes, by the way, I went back in CONY. And we're going to discuss some of these Yieldmax ETFs. There's a risk. So I'm just warning you guys, could lose money. So just be aware of that. Some of these Yieldmax ETFs. Bank of Nova Scotia, Darden Restaurants, American Financial Group, I'm pretty sure they just announced a dividend hike. NetStreet REIT Corp, Crescent Capital, that's a business development company. Yum Brands, Alexander Real Estate Equities, I love that REIT, just the way it's designed and everything. The SQY, I'm in the Yieldmax option, SQ option income. Aflac, right at 547. Toronto Dominion Bank, I'm right at 545. Alpine Income Property Trust. I went over that a little bit with them. I'll do a quick review on these ones. Specifically, these ones as in REITs. I'll do a quick review on Alpine Income Property Trust after I review my main section or the front lines of my dividend portfolio. Got Prologis at 544. That's a good buy right now since it's down. AMDY, I have the Yieldmax option, AMD option income. Remember, with these Yieldmax ETFs, they're not actual shares of the stocks, so just be aware of that. The Yieldmax MSTR option income, MSTY, that one's doing well. FBY, the Yieldmax Meta option income. Coca-Cola, I am doing pretty well with them. I'm getting a decent return. I'm pretty sure I bought some. I'll go over my buys. I threw in 500 today, and I'll show you what I bought. Care Trust REIT, 541. WP Carey, they've been down. I'm capitalizing. And Four Corners Property Trust, I just discussed that one. That's kind of like a restaurant REIT. You can correct me if I'm wrong. BITO, the ProShares Bitcoin ETF. I'm up 31.3%. The YBTC, the Round Hill Bitcoin Covered Call ETF, YBTC, I'm up 12.39%. So things are looking pretty good. And again, I like the Bitcoin one. I want to make sure that the Ethereum one's on there too. Very excited for that one to possibly be on there. I've been pretty much complaining to M1 Finance, get it on there. And sometimes they listen to me. So, I'm not trying to say have a say, but, they follow me, and they follow me on X a lot. And if you are on X or you go on X, follow me at Darth Dividend 23. So let me show you my purchases, and I'll go over Alpine Income Property Trust. I just said I'm throwing in 500 today. I just feel like it, and then I'm going to do 350 on Monday. So again, I'm going to capitalize on being a travel nurse. So we got Prologis. I threw in 252. M1 Finance just said, all right, we're going to give Prologis some love. Four Corners Property Trust 5706. That got me 2 shares. I got AMDY. That got me 3 shares. And then Alpine Income Property Trust 336. SQY 324. They got Toronto Dominion Bank 58 or 0.58 shares. YBDC, that was 1575. That got me 0.31 shares. Care Trust REIT, that got me almost 3 shares, 2.96 shares. MSTY, that got me 0.21 shares. I'm very excited with that one. The returns are fantastic. WP Carry, I got almost 1 share. I got 0.98 shares. Coca-Cola, I got 0.32 shares, so I did buy some Coca-Cola. FBY, I got 3.29 shares. Then BITO, I got 0.28 shares. So as I told you before, these next 2 months, and you can see my dividends right here, recently with Rhythm Capital 1089, QDTE 1367, Darden Restaurants 492, Lowe's 251, British American Tobacco. Remember, I sold them $12 minus 16 cents, so the ADR fee. So things are looking pretty good with the dividend portfolio, and I'll go over my dividend income that I've received so far. So this is pretty good. I was paid in income $14,740.94, which is reinvested. I have $586 for pending income. So things are looking pretty good, but let me go over Alpine Income Property Trust because I really like that REIT and there's a lot of potential. So right now it's sitting at 1798, and the year range was 1433 to 1942. So it's a little bit down. Market cap is 256.63 million. The average volume is 85.31K. Day range 1772 to 1798, and its previous close was 1774. So let's go over them briefly. The one thing I want to go over, there's strong earnings growth at the lowest price multiple. 2023 AFFO actuals to 2024 AFFO estimates growth, and 2024 EAFFO multiples. So I have NetStreet, I have EPRT, I have I have Four Corners Properties Trust, I have NNN. And it's done pretty well with AFFO growth. So it is a very strong. So I would consider it a triple net lease. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but the FFO growth is fantastic with them, and these are kind of like rivals, if you want to say. I mean, it's got FCPT, ADC, NT, ST, and EPRT, and NNN. So you got some pretty good ones that it's comparing itself to. And I'll go over its portfolio real quick. So looking at it, and this is kind of pretty cool, okay? So it's a REIT with lows in top 5 credits, so that's very interesting. So Walgreens, who cares? You know, they'll be fine. Bass Pro Shops, At Home, Walmart, Dollar General, Best Buy, Lowe's, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Beachside Group, and Dick's Sporting Goods. So, and you got Agree Realty Corporation. I mean, look at ADC. I mean, with a lot of these REITs that I own, and you see Four Corners Properties Trust, what the one that I own. That one is mostly restaurants. So you see Outback, Cheddar's, Buffalo Wild Wings, Chili's, Longhorn, Olive Garden, KFC. I mean, Red Lobster, they're having some issues, but who cares? They're starting to get big. So the diversification, I mean, Lowe's ain't going anywhere. Best Buy ain't going anywhere. Dollar General ain't going anywhere. Walmart ain't going anywhere. Dick's ain't going anywhere. They're always busy. Bass Pro Shops is not going anywhere. Walgreens, who knows what's going to happen, but they're still paying their landlord. So that's one thing that's positive with them. But I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. I'm going to start in 2021, 24 cents, 25 cents, 26 cents, 27 cents, to 28 cents in 2022. Been a little stagnant, but again, it's a little bit smaller. But the dividend growth overall in 5 years is 15.89%. You bought one share, you made $6.31 with a $1.12 or $1.12 distribution if you own one share. Dividend increases in the last 5 years is 8, so that's pretty good. Again, it's a little bit newer, but a lot of potential, so I'll take the risk buying them. So I just wanted to go over them briefly. Let me know what you think of Alpine Income Properties Trust. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I'm going to squeeze a video in for you tomorrow. Take care, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor or a tax advisor. So go to them for financial advice. Go to the tax advisor for tax advice. You can lose money when you make an investment. So make sure you are smart and make a smart economic decision. Take care.